Hello everyone, and welcome to Galaxy 89 Cars. Today, I'm bringing you an exterior and model overview of the one-of-one Bugatti La Voiture Noire from the 2019 Geneva Motorshow. Being exhibited in Bugatti's 110th anniversary year, the La Voiture Noire, or simply the Black Car, is a one-of-one creation designed in homage to the 1938 Bugatti Type 57 SC Atlantic and cost its owner over $12.5 million. Only 4 original SC Atlantic variants were originally made, from just over 700 total Type 57s. The remaining 3 cars are now known as some of the most valuable cars in the world, with one reportedly being owned by Jean Bugatti himself, with another sold at auction for around $40 million US, and as such, these do seem to be suitable cars to create an homage of. However, the Noire isn't just an homage, it's also an experiment in bespoke handmade design and aesthetics. It is based on the Chiron architecture, but lengthened, and comes with the rear-mounted 8-litre quad-turbo W16 that produces 1,479 brake horsepower and 1,600 Nm of torque. The large wheels with their bespoke design come in this centre-locking format and are formed from multiple spiralling layers. At the front, it comes with this aggressive redesigned front bumper with lateral venting. Moving up, there are distinctive LED cluster headlights on either side. The various chrome strips, as seen here along the bonnet, are the main styling cues from the Type 57 SC Atlantic. There are 2 new air vents on either side of it, with triangular air cutouts. Moving laterally, the graceful wing mirrors on either side continue the chrome theme. Below these, the new wheel arch vents are also made to honour the classic form of the Type 57 SC. Now looking at the car's profile, the attempt to replicate the slightly leant-back GT poise of the 57 SC can be seen. The chrome strip continues over the top of the car and creates the dorsal fin also seen on the original car. As this runs down the rear, we find 2 further air outlets, also with the triangular cutouts. These help to fuse older and more contemporary designs. There's an active wing behind this, and below, the impressive continuous and flowing LED brake light. The Bugatti text below can also be illuminated, as seen here. There's currently a chrome name plaque with the car's name over the registration holder. The 6 large exhaust exits below are in honour of the 16 cylinders of the engine, with the large 2-fin diffuser below. So that concludes my exterior and model overview of the one-of-one Bugatti La Voiture Noire from the 2019 Geneva Motorshow. Please subscribe for the latest content, and until next time, thanks for watching.